Hey everyone, today is day 23 of Vlogmas, and I have a real quick video for everyone. Man, listen, this California boy is not used to this cold weather up here, so let's step outside, and I want to show you the situation that is currently happening right now. Check this out. Hey, check out this current situation. It's snowing. Check this out. This is a quick Vlogmas video. Man, this California boy, this LA boy, ain't used to this snow. Man, I got to get out the Pacific Northwest. Anyway, this is my snowy day Vlogmas 23 video. Hopefully you're doing, hopefully you're keeping warm. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this case of water out the car and get back inside and grab my venti peppermint hot mocha beverage because it is cold out here. Anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all stay warm until the next video. Peace out. It's cold out here, y'all. I don't ever have to come back out here. This is too cold, man. Look at this. What the heck? It's time to get back to the West Coast. The best coast. Look at this. Man. Talking about Frosty the Snowman. Mr. Riley the Snowman. This is some snow. That's what this is. Let me get myself back in this house.